Okay, so here is Progressive app, which is one of the top like insurance apps, like fastest growing insurance apps, making insurance payments. You can view your coverages, policy information, add cards and all of that. So 3.5 rating, not that high actually, but it's quite in the top charts in US App Store. So it's 144 and 6 megabytes the app size, so just go and get it. And yeah, then you just need to wait until it downloads. You can see here, so it's available in like 7 languages. So you can just tap open. So let's just do like a quick preview. So then you just need to log in. You can also access Claim Center here. Call to report a claim, start photo estimate, access claim. You can start a new quote. Yeah, you can also create new account. So then you just need to enter your policy number, last name, date of birth, and mail-in zip code, and tap continue in the bottom. So that's the idea. So that's how it works. Yeah, that's a quick preview. Yeah, I will check out if it's possible to do a full overview of this app. Not sure if I can get this policy number, but other than that, that's just a quick preview. Hope it was helpful.